Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NordVPN if it's not working for both computer and phones. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, for computers, if you have it currently open, just close it. Now go ahead and go to the bottom right click on the app icon, and then quit the app. And then once that's done, right-click on a blank space on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Look for NordVPN. If you have all these opened, just right-click and task, right-click and task, right-click and task. All right. So once that's done, reopen up NordVPN if it's loaded. And once it loads, it will ask you background processes aren't running, so run it. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up, and then secure my connection. Wait a bit, and after that, you should be good to go. Now for mobile devices, go ahead and look for NordVPN, tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon or app info, and then go ahead and scroll down and find storage. There you go, and then just basically tap on clear cache. Once that's done, force close everything. And after that, relaunch NordVPN and you should be good to go. All right. So for iOS, you can just go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage, find NordVPN, offload the app. Once it's offloaded, go ahead and reopen it again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And just make sure that your device has internet, okay? Because if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is unstable, that causes issues as well. So that is how you fix NordVPN if it's not working. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.